guys, this video is a quick plating video. Plating is one of my favorite part of cooking. Yes, it is a part of cooking. I love to plate. Normally I go with white, but you can also use any solid color and still get a beautiful plating. Today I'm going to use this black or dark blue plating, and just watch me plate this up. So here I have a bowl. I'm gonna fill my rice in this bowl to get it into a perfect shape. So here's my rice, and I am patting it down with the spoon so I can get that firm shape that I need, okay? Then I'm gonna rest my plate like this, and I am going to go. This can be a fail, this can be a go, especially if your first time, and it's okay. Practice makes perfect. I'm gonna let it sit there for a while. And then I'm gonna add my curry salmon, because that's what we're doing today with our plating. So this is what I have so far, guys. My rice is still covered. I've plated my salmon. I'm gonna get some of that oil up off the plate, and then I'm gonna add some veggies. I try to get that color, the yellow, the red, the green, bell pepper, orange. And I'm just showing you a quick simple plating. So here it is, guys. So I'm about to do the reveal of my rice. Let's see if it was a go or a fail. Okay, it's a go. And this is just a quick, simply plating, guys. Look at that. As I said, I need to soak up some more of the gravy or oil right here, but look at this. Quick, simply plating. Everything is colorful and beautiful. Let me give you guys a close-up. And the more you practice with your plating, the better you will become at it.